Skeptic turns quantum pioneer. Dr. Harold Pearson was renowned for his skepticism, a physicist who demanded evidence and data to validate any claim. His colleagues often joked that he wouldn't believe in gravity if he couldn't see the apple fall. So, when the trend of the law of attraction gained popularity, Harold scoffed at the notion that positive thinking could shape reality. However, an idea brewed in his analytical mind: what if he could test this concept at a quantum level, where particles behaved in ways that defied classical logic? Driven by curiosity, Harold devised an experiment using his quantum simulator, aiming to expose the absurdity of the law of attraction with hard science. The experiment was set in his lab, a place cluttered with equations scribbled on whiteboards and stacks of research papers. Harold configured the simulator to visualize the behavior of particles as he focused his thoughts on a specific outcome, a universe where humanity had solved climate change. It was meant to be a joke, a playful mockery of pseudoscience. However, as he initiated the simulation, something extraordinary happened. The particles began to align in patterns that defied statistical randomness, forming a coherent structure that pulsated with a strange energy. The room shimmered, and Harold felt a peculiar sensation, as if the very fabric of reality was stretching. Unbeknownst to Harold, his experiment had not only visualized a parallel universe but had also created a conduit between worlds. As he stood in awe, the shimmering intensified, and he found himself gazing into a realm that mirrored his desired outcome. In this parallel universe, cities were powered by renewable energy, oceans sparkled with clarity, and the atmosphere was free from pollution. The stark contrast to his world was breathtaking, and Harold's skepticism wavered as he realized the implications of his unintended creation. Could the law of attraction hold some grain of truth at a quantum level, where perceptions and particles intertwined? Harold's discovery rocked the scientific community, blurring the lines between science and mysticism. Though his experiment had begun in jest, it ended with a profound impact on how reality was perceived. Researchers worldwide scrambled to replicate his findings, and debates raged over the ethical implications of meddling with parallel universes. As for Harold, he stood at the crossroads of his beliefs, contemplating the possibility that the universe was far more mysterious than he had ever imagined. The skeptic had become the pioneer, and the boundaries of science were poised to expand into realms once thought impossible.